This week at Utilitac, we built some work trucks. We put some spreaders on them. They're Western Tornadoes. They're the 3-yard model. We put some auxiliary lights and wired them in with the according waterproof connector. These auxiliary lights will help them see where they're putting the salt. And obviously the strobe lights, which are Whelen Mini T-ions, are for rear warning. And that's our sticker. So these two trucks are identical. On the inside, we didn't really do much. And then we put the strobe lights and the plow lights, and the factory auxiliary switches. We also did a mini bar on the cab protector. You can see some of our pretty schmexy wiring going on here. If our cameramen move around to this end.
We have our wiring going through a grommet and then through the cable harnesses. For some reason, he decided to put grade 8 bolts on there because I guess we're rich this week. And then the plow is a Western PRO-PLUS 8.5 foot. Just some halogen headlights, regular straight blade. Goes up, down, left, and right. If you're interested in one of these trucks, we can build you one. We just need the truck, which we work with 40 dealers on this side of the state to hook you up with. Or if you have your own truck, we keep a pretty heavy inventory of plows and spreaders over yonder. There's more coming in every week, almost every day at this point.
Not a problem. What? We're in the middle of something.
Oh, sorry, it's just a busy person.